नमस्कार, वेलकम और वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम करने वाले हैं एक IKEA हॉल एंड थ्रू दिस आई एम ऑल्सो गोना गिव यू गाइज एन अपडेट रिगार्डिंग माय हाउस टूर विच इज़ गोना कम अप सून। मुझे बस हाउस टूर वीडियो तभी करना है जब मैं अपने अपार्टमेंट को एकदम अपने मन के हिसाब से सेटअप कर लूँ, जिसके लिए बस और थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा एंड उसके बाद आई विल डेफिनेटली मेक दैट वीडियो। एंड फॉर दोज ऑफ यू हु डोंट नो, जस्ट फॉर कॉन्टेक्स्ट, आई शिफ्टेड टू मुंबई earlier this year around March to live on my own. I used to study in Mumbai only. मेरा college भी यहाँ पे ही था. But anyways, when the pandemic happened, I went back home and everything happened online. And after that, after graduation actually, I was working from home for a year, as in creating content from my hometown for a year. And then this year I decided to shift to Mumbai and I started living in an apartment on my own. And anyways, मैं तब से apartment को setup ही कर रही हूँ because मुझे एक बार में ना ज़्यादा invest नहीं करना था. So I've been investing थोड़ा थोड़ा करके all throughout these months and I'm setting up my apartment. And recently I visited IKEA and got some new furniture along with some home decor stuff. So I'm gonna share what all did I get as a part of today's video because मैंने पहले भी ऐसा ही एक IKEA haul वाला video बनाया था that a lot of you really liked. So make sure to watch that as well in case if you haven't. And yeah, without wasting any more time, let's just get started with today's video. Okay, so furniture से start करते हैं. मैंने actually यहाँ पे सब लिख के रखा है so that I don't miss out on any of the items that I've got as a part of today's haul. But anyways, let's start from the furniture. So firstly, I got a bed. फाइनली मैं इतने महीनों तक एक मैट्रेस पे सोती थी विच वॉज केप्ट ऑन द फ्लोर बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट वॉन्ट टू इन्वेस्ट इन अ बेड बैक देन. एंड अभी मुझे रिसेंटली बहुत बैक पेन हुआ था, सो माई डॉक्टर ऑल्सो सजेस्टेड मी दैट इट्स high time that I get a bed for myself. So I decided to get a bed and I'm going to insert a picture of the bed right here. I love how this has turned out. मुझे bed almost 30k का मिला without the mattress and it's a 2 storage unit वाला bed. मतलब 2 ऐसे storages है, दूसरे side में नहीं है, but if later on I want to add 2 more storage boxes I can also do that. वो भी IKEA में मिलता है. But for now I got this 2 storage bed. I think it's a king size bed. Some king size से थोड़ा बड़ा है I feel, but I really like it. It's pretty comfortable. It looks really Pinteresty and I'm just so happy that I have got a bed finally. Like this has been on my wish list for a while now. Moving on, the next furniture that I got is this shoe cabinet showcase sort of a thing. It's like a छोटा सा ऐसे cupboard sort of a thing, which IKEA वाले लोग are calling a shoe cabinet, but I am going to use it just for storage. I'm going to use it like a storage unit. And I got this one for around 8,000, which I think is a really good deal because ये काफ़ी sturdy है, इस बहुत ज़्यादा space है to store stuff, and ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा aesthetic भी है, so I really liked it, and काफ़ी compact भी है, like it's not taking up too much space, so I really liked that about it. The next furniture that I got is this work desk, study table sort of a thing along with this chair. I'm gonna put the picture right here. And ये मुझे मजबूरी में लेना पड़ा. I had no plans to get it, but because मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा back pain हो रहा था, it was so bad that I couldn't get up from my bed for like 1 whole week. So my doctor suggested me that मैं जो भी लैपटॉप वाले काम करती हूँ वो मैं प्रॉपर डेस्क और चेयर में बैठ के ही करूँ. So I had to get this and I'm glad that I got it because it has really helped me with my back pain. And I got the study table, the work desk thingy for 1690, which I think is an amazing deal. बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे affordable price range में ये मिल गया. And the chair costed me around 5,490, which I think is थोड़ा ज़्यादा, but क्योंकि ये ना वो एग्रोनॉमिक चेयर ही है जिससे आपका बैक पेन, शोल्डर पेन ये सब नहीं होगा. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड डील. आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट इन्वेस्टमेंट. सो या दैट्स अबाउट इट. फर्नीचर में तो मैंने ये सभी लिया. आई ऑल्सो गॉट दिस wardrobe right here actually, but I did not get it this time. I got it a while back, like a few months ago, so I did not really include it as a part of today's haul, but अभी मैंने सोचा कि मैं बता ही देती हूँ because it's right here. And this cupboard costed me around 26,000, which I think again is such a great deal because it's really spacious. There are lots of compartments and it's really sturdy as well, and it looks great too. That's all about for the furniture. अभी मैं आपको home decor वाले stuff दिखाती हूँ, and I got some really affordable home decor from IKEA. And speaking of affordability, before moving on with the rest of today's video, let me actually quickly share with you all a skincare routine that I have been following that is perfect for the changing weather conditions, and it's super easy and affordable, and it's like the perfect solution for the seasonal changes that are going on right now. So पहले cleansers के बारे में बात करते हैं. You guys need to check out Dermaco's 2% niacinamide skin cleanser range, which is right here, and I'm loving this. If you have sensitive, oily and combination skin, you can go with the 2% niacinamide oily skin cleanser. इसका formulation gel based है, and it contains 2% niacinamide along with cica extract and salicylic acid, making it a powerful choice for controlling my skin concerns such as excess oil formation, acne breakouts and blackheads. And if you have dry, normal and sensitive skin, you can go ahead with the 2% niacinamide gentle skin cleanser. ये cream based है, and it is perfect for dry winter weather as it gently soothes and moisturizes the skin while maintaining its natural moisture balance. The ingredients like the niacinamide help enhance the protective function of your skin's barrier, while cica extract is best to keep the skin moisturized while soothing the skin irritation. In cleansers में ceramide complex और salicylic acid भी है, which helps lock in moisture and prevent dryness while targeting open pores, acne breakouts and blackheads. I absolutely loved these skin cleansers from Dermaco because it not only helps me remove dirt, makeup, oil and all of that from my face, but it also helps in keeping it moisturized at the same time. Like, it does not strip my skin of all the natural oils, and it really helps me protect my skin barrier, which I think is super important. And yes, these are also dermatologically approved, and these are specially designed for sensitive skin. But that's not all. Cleansers to theek hai, but one of the most important skincare products that you need to have with you even during winters is sunscreen. I know that a lot of us don't really wear sunscreen when it's winters because utna sunny nahi hota and all of that. But please do not skip your sunscreen, even if it's chilly outside or even though it's not sunny outside. You cannot just skip your sunscreen. Please do use a sunscreen. I think it is one of the most important parts of your skincare routine. And my current favorite is the Ultra Light Zinc Mineral Sunscreen from Dermaco. ये एक new launch है, and it is so good. It comes with SPF 50 and PA+++ to shield you from harmful UV and UVB rays. It's super light, leaves no white cast, and also contains 25 zinc oxide that offers comprehensive protection. It's also water and sweat resistant and has an oil-free formula. मैं ये सारे products के links description box में डाल दूंगी, and you guys can use my coupon code Anushka2023 for 20% discount on all Dermaco products. Dermaco के सारे products Amazon, Flipkart और Nykaa पे भी available है, but this coupon code is only applicable on their website. Dermaco के सारे products fragrance free भी है, and one thing that I really like about Dermaco is that every time you shop from them, they link your order to a child that they're helping educate along with Bhumi, and this year they have empowered more than 10,000 students with their Young Scientist initiative. Okay, now coming back to the rest of today's haul, let me quickly show you all मैंने क्या home decor वाले चीजें ली है from IKEA. Firstly, I got this pillow to sleep in. Again, it's a very thin pillow. It's like an ergonomic pillow again, and I got this for my back pain because मेरे जो पुराने वाले पिलोज है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा फ्लफ़ी है, एंड आई एम सपोज टू नॉट स्लीप इन देम. सो ये वाला मुझे थोड़ा कॉस्टली पड़ा, बट आई थिंक इट्स worth it because this will really help me with my pain. So I got this one for $6.99 and it's really good quality. Moving on, I have got some pillows for decoration, which are these pillows right here. ये pillows और ये pillow covers अलग अलग आए थे. The pillows I think I got for around 400 rupees and the pillow covers were for $3.99 or so each, and I really love these. I mean, look at the prints and the textures. This looks so aesthetic and बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऐसे Pinterest वाला vibe आ रहा है. I love it. These pillows are also really soft. You can also like lounge in them if you want to, but these look great. मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया है. Next up, I have got this really squishy blanket. I loved it. As soon as I saw it and as soon as I touched it, I was like, मुझे तो ये लेना है because इसको लेके सोने में क्या ही मज़ा आएगा. And जब से मैंने इसको लिया है, मैं बहुत ऐसे आराम से सो रही हूँ. It feels so cozy. I think this one costed around 1600 or so, which I think is a good deal only because बहुत अच्छी quality है. It looks really nice and it feels really cozy. और ऐसे अगर आप AC चला के सोते हो तो ऐसे blankets तो I think बहुत helpful हो जाते हैं. And this is just too good. I love it. It's really cozy. Next up, I have got a lamp, which is this one. This is like a table lamp, and ये ना बहुत ही cool लगता है. मैं इसको वो cabinet के ऊपर रखने वाली हूँ. And you can also adjust the intensity of the light from here. And this one costed around 799 or so. And ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा cool है. I obviously had to set it up because IKEA में you have to literally set everything up. But I think this is great. This is really compact. It looks really nice and it looks pretty unique as well. I love it. Moving on, I got this floor mat. मैंने अभी तक इसको खोला नहीं है. I will actually try to insert a picture here because it's pretty big. तो मैं इसको पूरा खोल के वीडियो में नहीं दिखा पाऊंगी. But ये थोड़ा costly था. Again, I think this one costed around 3000 or something. Or I might be wrong as well. मुझे ना अभी सारे prices याद नहीं है. But I just remember feeling that okay, this might be a little expensive, and this actually looks really nice, and I wanted to get a floor mat just to make my home look a lot more put together, and this one really matched the vibe, so I got this. Quality भी काफ़ी अच्छी है, मुझे बस इसको अच्छे से लगाना पड़ेगा. So yeah. Next up, I got some flowers as always. I have to get some planters and flowers every time I go shopping for my home. So firstly, I got this one. This is really sweet. I feel I love the color combination. Pink flowers तो मेरे favorite है, and I think this one costed around 399 or something. And मैंने इसको ऐसे रखने के लिए ये वाला pot लिया है. I think this too was like for what 199 or something. बहुत cute लग रहा है ना? And I also got these flowers. I think even this one was for like 299 or something. अभी मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है ठीक से. Forgive me for that. And I got this vase as well. This vase from IKEA has been in my wish list for a really long time now. And ये I think 999 का है, but this looks really nice. Plants की ही बात कर रहे हैं तो मैं ये भी दिखा देती हूँ. I got this Christmas tree as well, and इसमें ना ऐसे light भी जलता है. You're supposed to put like batteries inside, and I don't know if you can make out, but थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसे lights भी जलता है. So I really like that, and I urgently wanted one for a video that I was shooting for a brand. So मुझे IKEA में दिख गया तो मैंने ले ही लिया. But ये थोड़ा costly था. Let me see if I remember the price or not. Yeah, I got this for 1 second. Okay, so as I was saying, I got the Christmas tree for 1590, which I think is very costly, but मुझे ना तब ऐसे बहुत urgently चाहिए था and मुझे कहीं और से नहीं मिल रहा था, and I had to shoot I think almost the next day for a brand, so I ended up getting it, and I think quality बहुत अच्छी है तो ये काफ़ी सालों तक चल जाएगा. Like I don't think I have to get a Christmas tree ever again. And जो ये decor वाले items है, I got these balls for I think 699 for 6 pieces if I'm not wrong. And I also got this scented candle. This is a Christmas special scented candle for 279, and it smells amazing. It smells like Christmas. Lastly, I have got this pack of potpourri. I always get a pack of this जब भी मैं IKEA जाती हूँ because ये बहुत अच्छी smell करते हैं. If you just keep it in a pot or something, it just smells amazing. And this one I got for 130 rupees. So yeah, that's all for today's video. That's all about everything that I got from IKEA, including furniture and home decor for my apartment. Home tour video बहुत जल्दी आएगा, so stay tuned for that. And in case if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. Also, I just wanted to share one thing, which is that I'm really proud about the fact that I'm putting my apartment together on my own और धीरे धीरे करके कर रही हूँ. So it just feels really nice, and I love documenting it and sharing it with all of you. So if you want to watch more videos regarding me living in Mumbai or me living in an apartment alone, just let me know. I would love to make more videos on that. और क्या videos देखना है ये भी आप बता सकते हो comments में. And in case if you liked watching this video, you know what to do. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.